What's up, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're gonna grill, gotta get it cleaned up first. And I love cleaning up my grill, especially at the beginning of the season. That's why I picked up this brush here. This is by BBQ Hero. You know what? That's what they call themselves, even though that's what I am. And what you can see here is it's one of these kind of spiral stainless steel brushes. And, you know, these are kind of all the rage right now because of the bristle brushes. A lot of people say and worry about the bristles kind of falling off and getting into food, and those can cause a lot of problems if you ingest it or get it stuck in your skin or your cheeks or something like that. I've never had that problem, so I don't want to be an alarmist about it. But if you are worried about that, or, you know, a grill brush like this is supposed to be kind of the answer. Now, I will say that these are pretty good. I've really enjoyed these. There's a couple tricks over the years that I found to using them effectively. And I will tell you that here after we take a quick little tour. Get a nice little metal hanger here, a little ring to hang it on. A really long plastic handle. You know, you get spiral wires that carry the 3 spiraled grill brushes. On this side you have a scraper, little stainless steel plate there, and you can see here how it'll kind of go into the channels, into those grill bars, and scrape everything off. Now, my suggestion on these is, one, you want to have like a bucket of water or a bowl of water or something, because I found that dipping this and getting it really wet and then turning up the heat on your grill and brushing along those grill bars is kind of really key to getting enough traction, as well as kind of heating up any residual char that you have on there to a point where it gets broken up and pliable enough to scrape off. But then the water here also helps kind of just you know, increase some traction for whatever reason, and really kind of scrapes everything off and leaves it really clean. Obviously, big things you can use this blade on to just to knock off, but these have been really nice. So this BBQ Hero brush is going to be a fixture on my grill in this upcoming grill season. And if you want to pick one up, like I said, it seems like a really good brush for not a lot of dough. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.